Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to add categories and tags for WordPress. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to install and activate a plugin. So search for a plugin that allows you to add categories and tags to pages. One popular plugin is Post Tags and Categories for Pages. So install and activate the plugin from the WordPress plugin directory or directly from the WordPress dashboard by going to plugins, then click add new. Okay, so you should see the plugin section at the left side of your screen and the add new at the under the plugins. Okay, now configure plugin settings. So once the is activated, you may need to configure its settings. So look for the plugin settings page or find its menu in the WordPress dashboard. Follow the provided instructions to enable categories and tags for pages. Now edit or create a page. So go to the page you want to add categories and tags to and open it for editing. You should now see options for adding categories and tags in the page editor interface. Now add categories and tags. In the page editor, locate the section where you can add categories and tags. Add relevant categories and tags to the page by selecting or typing them in a perspective or respective fields. Okay? So now update or publish the page. So once you have added the desired categories and tags, save or publish the page to apply the changes. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.